Welcome to the Questrade Portfolio IQ Review Usage Experience. Links to Questrade Portfolio IQ are provided in the description below. Questrade Portfolio IQ is a Canadian robo-advisor designed to help both beginner and experienced investors manage their portfolios with minimal effort. Offering fully managed, low-cost investment strategies, Portfolio IQ is ideal for those who want to invest in ETFs without having to manage the day-to-day details themselves. Whether you're saving for retirement, a big purchase, or simply building wealth, Portfolio IQ can accommodate a variety of investment goals. One of the standout features of Portfolio IQ is its customizable risk-based portfolios, which invest in low-fee, globally diversified ETFs. You'll fill out a risk profile questionnaire, and the platform will automatically recommend an asset allocation that fits your risk tolerance and time horizon. Portfolio IQ provides portfolios ranging from conservative to aggressive, and as your financial goals evolve, you can adjust your risk level accordingly. Portfolio IQ also offers tax optimization strategies for taxable accounts, making it particularly attractive to investors in higher tax brackets. They employ a strategy called tax loss harvesting, which can help offset capital gains taxes. Another feature is its automatic rebalancing, ensuring that your portfolio stays aligned with your investment strategy over time. The platform charges a management fee starting at just 0.25%, which is quite competitive compared to traditional advisors. There are also no account minimums, so it's accessible to new investors as well. However, Questrade does charge a fee for its ETFs, which are relatively low, but should be considered when calculating the overall cost. In conclusion, Questrade Portfolio IQ is a solid choice for Canadian investors seeking a low-cost, hands-off investing solution with tax optimization and portfolio customization. It's ideal for those who want to build wealth passively without paying high fees. Check the links in the description for more details and to get started with Questrade Portfolio IQ.